Hi, I am Dr. Abhijit Agashe, Chief Joint Replacement Surgeon at Manipal Hospital Baner. Today we will be talking about hip pathologies and surgeries related to the hip. The commonest hip pathology that is seen in our country is called as avascular necrosis or AVN. As many of our viewers might be knowing, AVN is a disease of hip, particularly post-COVID. The numbers are rising significantly. The reason for the problem is the blood supply of the hip ball is cut off, which leads to necrosis or the bone getting damaged. Once the ball and socket joint, the bone starts getting damaged, the rough bone starts rubbing against each other, leading to complete loss of cartilage on the top, which leads to pain. Many of these patients are facing difficulties of walking, difficulties of daily living like sitting cross-legged on the floor or squatting or climbing stairs. Yes, hip replacement is the correct answer for stage 3 or stage 4 AVN, and post hip replacement you will be able to go back to a complete normal lifestyle. And now at Baner Hospital Manipal we are using a new technology called as a direct anterior hip replacement. So what is the difference in the direct anterior hip replacement compared to our conventional or the previously operated posterior approach? The main difference is this is a pure intermuscular or internervous approach, which means we do not cut a single muscle. We go between a natural plane or a natural gap which is there between the two muscles on the front side of your thigh rather than on the back side of your thigh and the buttock. Advantage: you do not cut any muscles, so you get back to 100% normalcy. It is only the damaged bone or the damaged cartilage which is replaced without touching any of your vital organs like nerves or muscles. What is the biggest advantage of a DAA is majority of my patients are able to stand on the same day 6 hours after surgery. Within 3 or 4 days the patient starts walking without any walking aid. The patient walks independently, and in 3 weeks the patients are able to go down and sit on the floor squatting or sitting cross-legged. Going back to the sports, yes, in younger patients, particularly post-COVID with AVN, sports is an important part of their life and daily activities. Keeping you fit, sports is also very important. So post-hip replacement, previously we were not allowing our patients to go back to active sports, but with a direct anterior approach, going back to active sports is 100% possible. You can go back to a regular sporting activity, but mind you, in contact sports is not a very good idea to participate in like kho-kho, kabaddi, rugby or football. But rest than that, cricket, badminton, tennis or all other activities or sports is okay. Occasional mountaineering is also okay, but a very steep climb or very dangerous mountaineering is better avoided. So if you wish to know more about hip replacement, particularly in direct anterior approach, where you will be able to sit cross-legged on the floor, will be able to squat, go back to your normal sporting routine, do contact us. Thank you.